What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode I'll show you guys how to get rid of the internal server error problem in Google AdSense login. So if you are getting this problem, make sure you watch the video till the end and let's get started. So first thing first, all you need to do is clear everything from your browser. Okay, so what I mean to say everything is the bookmark, history, download, passwords and add-on and themes. These all things should be cleared from your browser, and make sure your browser is as a new browser. Okay, so to clear the history, all you can do is press Ctrl Shift plus Delete on your keyboard at the same time. That will bring up the history clear options, and from the drop down menu make sure you select everything, and from the bottom options make sure all the options are checked and then hit OK. That will clear everything, every history from your browser. Okay, right now I am not getting any internal server errors. I'm just showing you the technique that you can apply. Okay, make sure you apply all of these three techniques to get rid of those errors. Okay, so that's how you clear the history. Now it's time for the bookmark. So simply go to bookmark, and then on the bottom part you can see manage bookmark, and from here just click on bookmark toolbars. Okay, and make sure you delete all of these bookmarks. Sometimes your bookmarks also give these errors, so delete the bookmarks. Okay, just like that, and you will just remove that bookmarks. Make sure you delete all of those bookmarks on your browser. Right now I have a lot of bookmarks right over here, you can see. Okay, so that's the second thing that you can do. Now let's go further, add-on and themes. Click on it, and from here just click on the three dots and then click remove. Right now I am using Mozilla Firefox, so depends on your browser, you have different techniques to erase all of these things, but that's the basic way you do. Okay, make sure you clear all of these things: bookmark, history, download, passwords and add-on and themes. Okay, now we are done with the browser. We need to clear the temporary file on our local disk as well. Sometimes when we browse some website, some page on the browser, that will store some temporary files on our local disk. So we need to clear all of those temporary files. So go to start menu and type in run. Okay, this will bring up the run commands, and then simply click on it, and on the command on the box you need to type %temp %, and then hit OK, and this will open up the temporary files stored on your local disk. Okay, so you need to clear all of this. You need to delete these files permanently. So press Ctrl plus A to select all the files, and press Shift plus Delete on your keyboard. That will delete the files permanently from your local temporary files. Okay, temporary folders. So now close it, and after that the third technique is you need to avoid something. Okay, what I mean to say is, if you are logged in with multiple accounts on the same browser at the same time, you will get these errors. So make sure you are logged in on one channel or one accounts only while you are trying to log into Google AdSense. Okay, so that's the third technique. Make sure you are logged into only one account at the same time. If you want to log into multiple accounts, just make sure you logged out on the previous accounts. So that's the technique how you get rid of those internal server error inside the Google AdSense account login. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you do us, make sure you like the video, share the video, comment on the video, and if you still have problems regarding this internal server error, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to solve that, and that's it. I'll see you guys in my next episode. Till then, take care and goodbye.